Okay. You have 5.
Next 10 minutes.
First number 12.
In next 10 minutes, we are going to see what are the different ways
Choice 4.
for the Python dictionary. Dictionary methods in Python.
Function.
With the
Let
example.
us see the function.
Okay.
Yes,
Maintain pin drop silence.
Any doubts?
Hello.
First is integer. Second is integer.
So
Third
here,
is these two are.
these are the methods, dictionary methods. This is W3 website. These are the dictionary methods.
Result equal to
in Python.
Here
Clear,
copy,
from keys, get, atoms, keys, pop atom, set default, update and value. Okay, I have a simple ChatGPT prompt.
Okay.
And in the prompt, I have the program for every method.
And here, by default
function set,
input is
dictionary
string.
Before that, you understand the function concept. I assume you know function concept. So let us see the prompt one by one. And wherever I feel, I will run the prompt. Don't worry.
Next, choose the operation you want to perform.
What is dictionary in general? If you say what is dictionary, I just repeat your basics. Suppose this is the student,
enter number of your
student roll number. This is your physics student mark, chemistry marks, math mark. You have total,
calculate is the function
average.
name. Calculate is my function name.
So for roll number 1, suppose physics marks is 56, chemistry 67, math 57.
Operation.
Okay. For roll number 2, physics marks 55, 55, 55. For roll number 3, suppose 60.
That's it.
60, 60.
Run
what I do, I make it 70, 70, 70 so that I can easily do the calculation. So this is the physics 0. This is physics 1, physics 2.
In this way function works.
If I create physics array, this is the physics 0 mark,
when
physics
I call the
1 mark,
function,
physics 2
you
mark.
return.
If this is chemistry, chemistry 0, chemistry 1, chemistry 2.
This return.
This is math 0, math 1, math 2. But when I create the dictionary, for roll number 1, roll number 1 physics marks is 7.
Result is result.
So this is the student object. Student. Okay, physics marks is 70.
I can call the
student
function multiple
chemistry
ways.
marks is 70. Student math mark is
I can write
70.
like this
What
also.
about total? Total equal to student
I can
physics
write like this also.
plus student chemistry plus student math.
Okay.
So this is the dictionary data type. So let us go to the basics of dictionary. So simple program here. This is the dictionary for fruits.
Function.
There is a fruits. Okay.
Addition.
Apple, banana, cherry. Apple, banana, cherry. Just I copy the code, paste the code and run the code.
What is the function
simple
name?
program.
Function name is calculate. Calculate in bracket.
I run the code. See what I get now.
Comma.
Original dictionary. Apple, banana, cherry. This is the dictionary name. Apple. This is the apple key. This is the banana is the key. Cherry is the key. What about the same example for our program? सर आपल्या प्रोग्राम मध्ये कसं करायचं? I can define marks. Here marks.
Invalid operation.
Bars for
okay. Invalid
physics.
operation म्हणजे काय झालं बाबा बघू आपण.
Bars for chemistry. Yes.
I just
bars for
this.
math. And here I will print the marks. This is the marks. And here I write here marks. And this program shows the clear method. We'll discuss afterwards. Before that, I just cover the basics of dictionary. Now see what I have got. Marks, physics 3,
what is the error here?
5,
I'm calling the
math
function,
7.
not getting the output.
Clear? Suppose I want to print
Function
physics marks. What should I do? Only write physics marks. Physics marks equal to here marks for physics in bracket. Okay, P. Correct? Can you see this? Physics marks. कितने हैं? Physics marks 3 हैं. So marks for physics P. I got 3 marks. Clear है?
Okay. I got there.
Physics marks. Can you see this?
आता समजलं मला.
So I want total. Total साठी काय करायचं आहे मला? It's very simple.
काय पाहिजे माझं?
Total equal to काय करावं लागेल?
Okay.
Simply marks physics plus marks chemistry.
Great. नीट लक्षात काय केलं पहा मी. Now I am calling the function statically. काय करता फंक्शन
प्लस
लक्ष द्या
मार्क्स फॉर
हिअर
and here print
great in next 20
Total.
minutes we are going to see how to create
T O
mark sheet of a
T
student
A
using
total marks
function.
equal
Clear
to
आहे काय शिकणार
Here.
आपण
T.
mark sheet of a student using
Let us
functions.
run the
What I
code.
need for mark sheet, consider we
Can you see
have
total marks?
the marks
15
how many marks we have, consider we have
पाच,
subjects, how
3
many subjects are
plus
there?
5
3 subjects,
8 आणि
physics,
7
chemistry
15.
and math.
Clear आहे?
subject आपल्याकडे physics,
here I can take input from user also
chemistry,
okay. Physics marks equal
math.
to
I just write like
I
this.
can write in
Okay, these are the input
in
variable.
bracket input
These are called
in
as
bracket
input variable.
enter.
Then we can, what do we do? We calculate
Physics
total
marks.
This is output
बरोबर आहे?
variable. So
Same
we take
for
input from user,
chemistry
physics,
mark.
chemistry, math.
same for mathematics marks
The total equal to
chemistry
physics,
marks
chemistry, math.
clear है
Then we
same for
calculate average
mathematics marks
equal
आता काय करावं सगळं बोला it's very simple
total
just put
divided
here
by 3. Yes or
physics
no?
underscore marks
बरोबर आहे?
chemistry
करणार ना?
underscore marks
Next, grade equal to average divided
Math
by
underscore
3.
mark.
Sorry, grade sorry, total equal to. Okay, grade.
if I
in
by
range of,
mistake make
suppose,
small m to capital M काय होईल I get the error you will get
90
0 marks
to 100.
clear आहे समजलं
And we get A
now
plus
I have made the
grade,
program
yes or
dynamic
no?
in front of you आता इथे काय होईल enter physics
बरोबर का
mark
नाहीये?
इथे काय होईल enter chemistry mark
Total equal to average equal to ठीक आहे.
इथे काय आहे enter
Average total जवळ तीन. Average
Math.
ठीक आहे सर हे सॉरी हे A पाहिजे A
Okay.
बरोबर आहे
I get total I get average that's it run the
समजलं?
code great
What is next?
congratulations physics
We have to
marks
calculate grade
99 chemistry
for
marks
that.
99
What I
math
should
marks
check? We should
10
check
I
the
got
range.
total that's it सोपा आहे
Average जर 90 ते
So
100
here I have
असेल तर
covered
A
your
plus
basics of
grade, yes or
dictionary.
no?
how to create
बरोबर आहे का
dictionary
नाही?
statically
ते समजा,
dynamically
I just reduce the font
and
to
printed the
23.
total now you can calculate
ते
average
समजा,
average equal to
तुमचे
total divided by
average.
3 okay and write the logic
80
for
to
grade
90.
if average in the range of
A
90 to
grade
100 grade is
in the same
A
way,
plus else
B
if
plus
average in 90 to 80 grade is A
B grade,
so can I create the
C
marks
plus,
proportion using
C
using
grade
dictionary
if
yes or no?
average
सोपा है
is less
no
than
what we are
40.
going to cover again I repeat
Then
what we are going
your
to
grade
cover
is-
in next
Yep.
10 minutes these are the methods
So we are
This is
going to
something
learn this
these
program
are the
using
existing
function.
method in
But before
Python
that, I will tell you
which we can
basics
use
of
in our
function.
program to make program
Clear?
more robust.
Basic
Clear?
of
So what we are going to cover? We are
function
going to
कसं
cover all
define
the method
करायचं.
one by one.
थोडं समजलं
First
सर्वांना?
method. Now
Are
I
you
will not
ready?
execute all the
Let
code.
us be
Okay, I
ready
assume you understood the
now.
concept. Okay. असं मी
Let us
assume
learn
तुम्हाला
how to
समजलेलं
write a
आहे.
program
Now I will
for
directly
function.
cover the code.
It's a simple
जिथे वाटेल
program.
तिथे run
Plain.
करेल. Okay.
Hello.
Great. चला. So first method
Welcome.
is clear method.
To
पहिली
mark
method
sheet.
कोणती आहे मित्रांनो?
Okay, Python
First method काय आहे?
code for
Clear
mark
method.
sheet.